Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, which is Christmas themed, if you couldn't tell by the thumbnail. I've had this makeup look on my mind for a while now, and I just, decided I might as well try it. So here we go, a Christmas themed makeup look. Before I can do any makeup, I have to pull my hair out of my face and prime it. Now I can start with my eyebrows. For eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with this bright green and blend it in a tapered shape on my eyelid, making it really blended and fluffy, but a very flat green base. Don't forget the lower lash line. Do this again on your other eye. With some white eyeliner, you're going to now create a big white winged eyeliner look, big enough that you can add some candy cane stripes to it next. My first attempt at these candy cane stripes was with this red from Colourpop in Meteorite, but it just wasn't working that well. It could not be seen, was not a dramatic enough red. So I decided to switch my methods and go in with some lipstick. This one's the Maybelline one, and that worked so much better. It's a bright red color and very much reminds me of Christmas and a candy cane. Repeat this lipstick on your other eye. Now go back in with the white eyeliner and clean up all the edges. Next, I took this green gold glitter from Colourpop in Fyre and popped that into the inner corner of my eye to add a little more dimension and a little more shimmer. For highlight, I used my NYX Duochrome highlighter in Twilight Tint and put that everywhere because a Christmas look isn't complete without some frosting. Now to use the lipstick for what it's actually meant for. Okay, and that's it. My Christmas-inspired makeup look. Thank you all so much for watching, and I really hope that this makeup look inspired you to go out and play around with some makeup, or inspired you to test out some new colors. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and watch my next video whenever it may come out, because who even knows anymore with school going on? I don't know when I'm going to post. So whenever the next inspiration strikes, be sure to look out for it. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas or whatever you celebrate this time of year, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!